Welcome to Arbor Greene, one of New Tampa's most desirable communities. We are going to take you on a tour of this entire community, but first I want to show you what a typical home looks like in Arbor Greene at this open house. Alright, so in case you're wondering, we have this home listed for $750,000. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath. It's about 3,300 and some change square foot. Just to kind of give you an idea, there is no pool on this home, so a pool would add a little money, but there's an incredible view. All right, so now we are leaving that home and we're going to show you around this community, but I wanted to point out a couple of things as we go through. So as you'll notice in this particular section of Arbor Greene, a lot of the homes, they're estate, executive homes, and they'll have the tile roofs. But another thing, and the stone out front, and they're just very nicely designed. There's not too many of them. They don't look alike. They don't look cookie cutter at all. There's huge lots, yards. The mature landscape just adds to the character of this beautiful community. All right, so we are still in the estuary section of Arbor Greene, and as you can see, in this neighborhood alone, they have their nice, peaceful park where you can bring your kids to play. Got a half-court basketball, swing set, and slides. So you're probably wondering about schools, right? Because we're in the playground, you probably have children. So we have Hunters Green Elementary servicing this community, Benito Middle School, and Wharton High School. And Benito is just outside the gates of this community, with Hunters Green just down the road from that on the other side of the public library, which is also very close. All right, we talked a little bit about the community, saw a little bit of the neighborhoods. Now we want to talk about another great feature of Arbor Greene, which is the community center. The amenities here are second to none. They have Har-Tru Tennis Courts. They have 2 pools, one being a resort style pool, and the other one is a junior Olympic pool that is heated during the winter and cooled during the summer. So it maintains a temperature of 80 to 84 degrees year round. You can't beat that. Also, there's a state-of-the-art fitness center and studio inside, and a gathering space to bring if you have a party or whatever you're having, any kind of event you're having, you don't want to have it at your house, you can rent that space inside. There's TVs, there's places to set up food, and keep the cleaning here instead of at home. So at the time of filming, the typical home price in this community is anywhere from about $500,000 all the way up to $1 million and a little more than that. The nice thing is the HOA is only $9 a month, 9 and change, which is $110 a year. There is a CDD currently at the time of filming. Again, it is $2,650 a year. That is included in your tax bill. So you're probably wondering, if you're not familiar with the area, where is everything in relation to Arbor Greene? So just to give you an idea, it is northeast of the city of Tampa, downtown Tampa. Downtown Tampa you can get to in about 25 minutes on a good day. Traffic depends on traffic, but you can get to the airport in about 35 minutes, and to Clearwater, which is one of the best beaches in the country, in about 45 minutes.